Hello, you beautiful people, and welcome back to another episode of What is Happening to This Country. Great things are happening. Today, we'll be talking about a very ambitious project of Indian Space Research Organization, the second lunar mission developed by ISRO, and the first completely indigenous mission developed by ISRO. Yes, we are talking about Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 2 is the mission launched by ISRO on 22nd of July 2019. What we are trying to achieve out of this mission is this Chandrayaan 2 will be studying lunar topology, mineralogy, elemental abundance, exosphere and water ice, etc. etc. This Chandrayaan 2 will also be helping us in mapping the lunar surface and will help us in preparing a 3D map of the moon, which is going to be a great achievement not just for India, but it will give a lot of learning about the moons to the whole world. So Chandrayaan 2 is a very ambitious mission which was carried out, which was launched on 22nd of July 2019, and it was supposed to land yesterday, uh, 7th of September at 1 approximately 1:40 a.m. in the morning. And just in the last 15 minutes, when this Vikram lander was just 2.1 kilometers above the lunar surface, that it deviated from its intended trajectory and we lost contact. A very important thing worth noting is it is not that it just deviated and we lost contact. We were in contact, we were, the scientists were in contact with the lander Vikram till zero point 0.3 kilometers. That means just above 300 meters of the lunar surface. It is that when we have lost contact with the lander. So there is quite a possibility that the Vikram may have landed, and this is just a communication gap. So this may have happened, though scientists are trying to establish contact again, but nothing has come out. Now, no statement has come out in this regard from the ISRO chief. They are just saying that we are still analyzing the data that is coming from the orbiter, because orbiter is very well placed at an altitude of 100 kilometers and it will be staying there for at least one more year. So orbiter is still doing its job. It is just that we have lost communication with the lander, that too just above 300 meters of the lunar surface. So there is quite a possibility that that Vikram may have landed on the lunar surface and this is just a communication gap. But in the worst case scenario, even if the lander has crashed, though it is not yet confirmed, but even if it is crashed, that doesn't mean the mission has failed. It is just a 5% failure and 95% success, which is a great success in terms of what we were trying to achieve, because 90% of the scientific equipment and the instrument is still held with the orbiter itself, and the job was done by the orbiter itself. So orbiter will still be taking photographs of the lunar surface. Orbiter will still be studying the mineralogy, the elemental abundance, and it will be mapping the moon, and whatever we are trying to achieve, we will still be achieving through that orbiter. It is just that we have just lost contact with the soil, with the surface of the moon. So achieving what we were trying to do in the first place, what India was first in doing, entering the south pole of the moon, and just 300 meters above the lunar surface when we lose contact. This is not a failure. This is a huge success that we all must take pride in. And this is actually a moment to rejoice, a very proud moment for all of us, and to establish that yes, ISRO is a premier space agency in the world and we can achieve what we want to. This was the first time any country was landing on the south pole of the moon, and achieving 95% in that mission is a tremendous success. So once again, nothing has been confirmed by the scientists as of yet. The only statement that has come is that we have lost contact, and we all saw live in the night yesterday that everything was going just picture perfect, and just about 2.1 kilometers above the surface the lander deviated from its path, from its intended path, and just above 300 meters we lost contact with the lander. So as of now, I want to believe that it has landed and it is just a communication gap. But even if it is not so, this is a huge, huge success, and the mission is still on. And the mission is still on. And in the words of our Prime Minister, if we would have been defeated without starting difficulties, we would not have become a premier space agency. So this is definitely what the world is looking forward to. This is definitely what we are looking forward to. And what an achievement by the Indian scientists, and especially in the last decade, what evolution these people have shown, what great achievements they have achieved, and what who knows in future what they're going to do. And in the words of ISRO, the chief of the ISRO, that whatever is planned ahead will go as per the planning and will be done on time. So just looking forward to more initiatives and more ambitious projects taken off by ISRO, and we are feeling proud and proud again. And how much proud can we again feel? But yet we do. So yes, lot of things coming up, great achievements ahead, and I personally take it as a very big achievement, 95% achievement in the project that the whole world was looking up to, that India was doing for the first time. What a capability and what an evolution, and what should I say, I'm actually short of words. And great things are happening, great things are happening. So my dear fellow countrymen, mission is still on. We'll be achieving what we are trying to do. It is just that we are not in touch with the surface anymore. That too is not sure, because till the time it is confirmed that the lander has crashed, I prefer to assume that it has landed. Let's just pray, but again mission is still on and we'll be achieving what we were trying to do. So yes, we are proud and very much proud. So this is all about the updates of Chandrayaan 2, and great things coming ahead in the future, and we'll all see together what is happening. Till then, take care, see ya, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Till then, take care. See ya.